Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna quickly go through how to reset your cPanel and everything on your BlueHost. So first of all, you're gonna go to websites. Now you're gonna click on settings on your website which you want to restart, and you're gonna click on advanced. Now you're gonna go to the cPanel, and we're going to access a file manager. So as you can see, there's a lot of tools here, but we need this files, and you're going to click on file manager. And now you're going to go to the public HTML, I believe, to this one. And you're going to basically click select all, and you're just going to delete everything by clicking this button. So I'm not going to do that, but basically you can just click delete and it will delete everything from here. Now, what you also need to do is delete your emails. So let's go back to here and let's access our emails. So from here, you need to go ahead on email accounts. And you need to choose this account and click on delete and delete it permanently. Now, again, we need also to go to our SQL databases, where we also need to delete our databases. So click on delete on your databases right there. And now you also need to go to FTP access right here. This is all on advanced. And now you will have your ATP accounts right there, which you can delete. Now, as you can see, I have only special FTP accounts which cannot be deleted, as it says right there. But if you have just FTP accounts, then you will be able to do this. So that's that. Now, what you can also do is go ahead to your domains and delete the domains like so. You're gonna scroll down and remove the domain, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.